In this video, we'll take a look at getting set up to record in the MRC's podcasting studio. When you come into the room, make sure that everything is plugged in and powered on. You can turn on the surge protector with the switch, and the mixer can be turned on with a push button on the back of the device. Take the USB cable and plug it into a free port on the device that you're using to record. Once everything is connected, you'll need to change the input device option on the software that you're using. In this example, I'm using Adobe Audition. Here you can see me go to the Edit menu and select Preferences, and then Audio Hardware. In the Audio Hardware pop-up box, I can change the default input option here to the USB plug-and-play audio device that will connect your device to the rest of the podcast recording equipment. Go ahead and confirm that I want to make that change and hit OK. Now we're ready to start recording. At this point, I'm going to go to the File menu and create a new audio file. And for this example, I'll just call this file a podcast recording. Of course, you can name your file appropriately. And now my software is set up and ready to go. Before you begin recording, make sure that you can hear yourself through the headphones.
Check, check, microphone check, microphone check. All right, and that is recording. We are ready to go.
At this point, I'm just waiting for my podcast guest to arrive, so I'm going to take a look at the mixer and make sure everything is set appropriately. All of the rotary control knobs should be set to the 12 o'clock noon position, and we'll use the color-coded faders to control each individual microphone. Begin with these set approximately at 0, adjust up or down accordingly. The main fader all the way off to the right controls the overall level coming out of the mixer. The headphone amplifier is what connects the mixer to all 4 sets of headphones. Each headphone's volume can be controlled independently with the knob associated with that pair of headphones. Headphones are not required for recording, but we do recommend that you use them so that you can monitor what you are recording while it is happening. And now my guest arrives.
Sounds good.
Allow them to get comfortable, check to make sure that everyone can hear themselves and the volume coming into your device is appropriate, and then get to recording. For tips on recording using Adobe Audition, take a look at the MRC website for some other video tutorials. When you are done recording, be sure to save your work and tidy up after yourselves. To reserve the podcast studio, or to take a look at other video tutorials, head to the MRC website.